Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royale box break number 2. Here's the last game up for auction. There's Edmonton. So, a short announcement to make. If you go to our website, breakawayc.com, click on the Group Breaks tab on the main menu. Go to Blowout Breaks. We got 3 case breaks we're doing live on Sunday night on our Vaughn Live channel. Certified 8-box case, a titanium 8-box case, and elite 12-box case. The certified is $25 per spot, and the titanium and elite are $30 per spot. They're all live team style drafts, so there's 28 spots available in each case break, and you get to pick your team. It's all done through random.org, and it's a team style draft, like I said. And if you want to buy into all 3 breaks, it's $75 for the 3, so you save $10 if you get in on all 3. So it just shows you how to make payment, how to get to our Vaughn Live channel and everything. We're doing that again on Sunday night on the 15th, starting at 8 p.m. There's already some spots sold in each case break, so they should be filled up, no problem, by the time we go live on Sunday night. So if you're interested, breakawayc.com, check us out. We'll make sure that the link to this page will be in the email where you got this link to, so you can just copy and paste it, no problem. So the serial number on this box is NE939 29829. That's NE939 29829. So good luck, everybody. So with a nice hit, it's all Kingsmen jersey and auto card of Alex Hensky for the Oilers. It is number 44 of 100. And we got a Lords in the AHL hit for the Canucks of Henrik Sedin. Got an auto rookie of Roman Horak for the Flames. And rookie of Rafael Diaz for the Canadiens. Got a color collection hit for the Avalanche of Gabriel Landeskog. And we got all the Kingsmen jersey card for the Flyers of Claude Giroux. Base of Brett Hull for the Blues. And the last pack. Got all the Kingsmen jersey card for the Blackhawks of Jonathan Taves. Ruby Parallel of Jason Spezza for the Senators. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. I hope to see you again next time.